How do you say the word and in Hebrew? Well, it's the word ve, but sometimes this ve becomes u. So why and when does this happen? Well, ve becomes u in two environments. First, it becomes u before words that begin with a shva vowel. For example, the word dvash, there's a shva underneath the dalet. The shva is the two vertical dots there. That's a shva. And because it begins with that, if you add ve before it, it's going to become u. So if you want to say apples and honey, that's tapuchim, ve, dvash, and the ve has to become u because dvash begins with a shva. So tapuchim, u, dvash. It's just the rule. The second environment is that ve becomes u before the bump letters. So what are the bump letters? Bet, vet, vav, mem, and pei, fe. So for instance, if you want to say Joseph and Mark, the word Mark begins with a mem sound. So you would say Yosef u Mark instead of Yosef ve Mark. Now the truth is, when you speak Hebrew, you don't really follow these rules. You only follow them in fixed phrases like tapuchim u dvash, but otherwise you don't really follow those rules. But in writing, you do follow those rules. Shana tova u'metuka, zeu bye.